Hello, and thanks for tuning in to yet another episode of Information for Use, IFU. I'm your host, Attorney Mario A. Reed, your information concierge. Episode 42 is about taxes, and more specifically, how owning your own business can help get you a full return of whatever federal taxes were taken from your traditional Monday through Friday 9 to 5 employer. So I'm going to be posting this photo, which breaks out everything that I'm referring to, but I'm going to cover it very briefly. When you own your own business, you are able to write off any business expenses. Think Trump during the presidential election. Anytime that you take a loss as a result of your business, that offsets your adjustable gross income, which is what all of us are taxed on from the federal government. So to put things into perspective, if you take a look at the photo that I'm posting that has it outlined as to everything that I'm referring to, you'll see that for 2016, this individual had total wages of $68,495. Now, you'll see below it that it lists that they had business income of negative $25,542. That's because anytime that costs such as your office space, which could be your home, or costs for marketing, advertising, legal costs, purchasing folders, purchasing business cards, all of those expenses that relate to your business, for which you'll normally have an employer identification number, which was issued from the Internal Revenue Service, and you've registered your business with the Illinois Secretary of State in this instance for a limited liability corporation, or whichever route you decide to go. That combination of things then entitles you to be able to claim that business, and more specifically, all of the costs that go into investing in that business. Anytime that you're investing more cost into the business than you're getting in terms of sales or revenue out of that business, that becomes a loss. That's how your adjustable gross income is offset. You'll notice in this individual example, it shows that the business income was a negative $25,542. Because of that, that resulted in the adjusted gross income, also known as your AGI, being reduced to $40,453. Once one then takes away the deductions, which in this case they were itemized based on things such as property taxes, state income taxes, state sales taxes, and all of the other different reasons why one would itemize their deductions versus using a standard deduction, it then resulted in the taxable income being just $10,005. Now that's important because in this instance, there was a total taxes of $11,867, of which the income withheld was $10,867. So because of that, none of that tax should have been withheld from this individual's paycheck because of the fact that they didn't make enough in order to qualify to be taxed by the federal government. Now, I want you to think about when Trump made the statement that he was very smart for not paying any federal income taxes over the past 20 years. What he was referring to was the fact that he took a $96 million business loss, which then offset his income for the next 20 years based on his adjustable gross income. This is what being a business owner results in. It gives you the opportunity to claim any expenditures which are directed towards one's business and growing one's business towards offsetting whatever their income is. So if you earn $68,000 a year, but you're investing $30,000 of that income back into your business, then because of that, you get to offset your total income, and your adjustable gross income is then reduced down to whatever that difference is. Now, every single time you're considering doing anything as it relates to your taxes, it is a fantastic idea to consult with a licensed professional, being a CPA, an accountant, or even a tax attorney. However, this is how you can potentially see a full refund if you are investing in yourself and your business. Now, I really want to quickly point out that this video is not going to be public. I am not going to make this video public. This is for individuals whom I consider to be friends here on social media. If you are interested in learning more about this, I highly recommend consult with a professional. This video is just to give you a taste of what it is that happens when you own your own business and to give you an idea as to what kind of return can come from it. As always, please stay informed and thanks for tuning in. Have a great one, and episode 42 is in the books.